Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.0, how to add thickness. So you can go to part design and click create body, create sketch. I will choose this top plan. As example, you can draw rectangle from the origin point into here and click close. Now use pad tools to convert into 3D. If you want to add thickness, like you can select in the top face, can click these icons to create thickness, and it will be automatically cut the selected face. So you can set for the thickness in here, like I will set into 2. The thickness will be automatically increased. You also can add another face, like I will select this button, you select button, click, and you can add like in the bottom face. So we have two face in here, and you can click preview. So to be create the hole. Can add again the face, like I will set in the front. Click preview, and you can see we cut the selected face. And I will set again for the thickness into 5, and this is for the 5. You also can delete the face. You can select this face and right click. We can click the remove or delete. Click preview. So this is for the preview. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.0, how to add a thickness. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.